Good morning, guys. This is Jason from 𝐬𝐮𝐸 Hardwood Floor Refinishing and Cleaning. Today is Monday, June 2nd. Happy beginning of the month. So I'm here in Parker, Colorado, in another house that I came literally 2 days ago, so last Saturday. The customer, she's in a hurry to do a restoration on the floor because she wants to sell the house. So I'm here today to do this screen and recoat process in the whole house. It's around 1,550 square feet with some color correction and 15 steps. So anyway, let me flip it out the camera and show you guys what I'm gonna be doing. Alright guys, like I said, here in Parker, beautiful neighborhood. But anyway, let me show you guys what I'm gonna be doing. It's a red oak stained hardwood floor. As you can see, doesn't have too much protection, or doesn't have protection at all. So I'm gonna be fixing those holes. I'm gonna fill it up those. Look at the stairs, and really worn out. Most of the steps are 15 in total, but all of them are like that. Here is not really too bad. This area, the living room, you can see it a little bit. Look at, it's starting to wear out a lot. But here, as always, the kitchen is the worst area in the house. So as you can see, the difference. So we are gonna be doing screening, some color corrections, and this is the house that I'm gonna be working today. 1,550 square feet, a screen and recoat, and stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, we're back here. We screen everything, we clean attack everything, we did color corrections, also fill it up, the holes on the floor, different holes, the stairs. Look at this. Oh, what a big improvement on the stairs. We did the color correction. The customer is already so happy about it. So yeah, look at this, how this floor is looking so far. Actually, we already start to apply the finish, as you can see. And look at how beautiful is this floor already. So it's satin finish, the kind of chin that the customer decide to go with. So stay tuned and see the final result. Alright guys, we're back here after 2 hours that we applied the finish on this floor. And look at this. It looks amazing. Oh my goodness. Such a good improvement. You can see the beginning of the video. How was this floor before we started? And it didn't have any kind of life at all. But now You can see the big improvement in this floor, as I always guarantee to my customer to get between 50 and 80% of improvement with the process of a screen and recoat, which is just 1 day process. So look at all this floor, looks amazing, right? So if you guys want this kind of service, don't hesitate in contact me, 720-327-1127. Stay tuned, guys, and see you next time.